So there are a lot of deadlines this time of year. The big one, of course, usually April 15th. It's not this year. So you need to understand why and what other deadlines that are really important for you. Lisa Green-Lewis, CPA and TurboTax expert, is with us right now. Okay, so Lisa, first and foremost, it's not April 15th, right?
Right. The tax deadline is April 18th. So you have a little bit more time. And that is because the 15th, which is the usual deadline, falls on a holiday.
Right. So you at least have the weekend to get it done because then the return is due on Monday. You also, though, have quarterly estimates due on that Monday, the 18th as well, don't you?
Right. So if you're self-employed, you're going to have the tax year 2021 deadline of April 18th. And then you will also have your first quarterly estimated tax payment deadline on that same day.
Right. And I suppose also if you're a regular employee whose income comes in irregularly, you might be making estimates as well. But there are other estimated dates as well. What are they, just so that we know throughout the year?
Right. So the second quarterly tax payment for tax year 2022 is due June 15th. And then the third one is due September 15th. And then the final one is January 17th, 2023.
So just as a reminder, 4 of them, you're supposed to make 4 estimated tax payments. Get out the checkbook. The other thing too, and we'll talk about this more in another video, but the extension deadline, typically October 15th, it's actually not again on the 15th, is it?
Right. That deadline is October 17th this year.
So you have 6 months if indeed you need to extend your tax return. As always, know the money is due, even though the return could be extended, right?
Right. Extension is not an extension to pay. It's just an extension to file.
All right, so mark your calendars. These are important dates. Lisa, thank you so much for taking the time with us.
Thank you for having me.